Hey y'all, so today I am going to be making some flaxseed gel. And if you don't know what flax seeds are, here are flax seeds. They're really good like in shakes and stuff, or you can use them in other things. But today I'm going to be making hair gel from these. I got this from Walmart, and look how big this is. Like, this is a big old thing, and it was like maybe $5 or $6, and it's lasted me for a long time. Like, I've made gel a couple of times for myself and for friends and family. And so yeah, so right now I just have about 1.5 cups of water in there, and then I'm gonna put about a cup of water, or a cup of flax seeds into that, and I have it on medium temp, and it's going to just boil. So yeah. Alright, so it has started to boil. I'm gonna stir it up, and it's starting to get that gel like consistency. But hang on, because I'm gonna make a mess. I should have bought my tripod in here, but I'm lazy. Okay, so it's starting to form that gel like consistency, but just a little bit. And you want it to kind of get to where, like, if I pull it up, it's like really jelly. Like, it's not quite there yet. So I'm gonna keep letting it boil for a little bit longer, and I might just turn it down a little bit. So I got an old timey ass stove. Oh, there's fog on it. So it was at medium, and I've turned it to like halfway to kind of let it just simmer down just a little bit. So yeah, let it cook down just a little longer, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna grab my fork. So it's starting to get that goopy texture, but it's just a film at the top. So I'm gonna just let it boil a little longer. Just a little longer. Like, it's getting stuck to the fork, if you can see that. Oh my god, come on now. Okay, there we go. But it's getting like stuck to the fork, and that's almost like the consistency that you want it when you get ready to take it off. So you do it about five more minutes maybe. Alright, we are at a good consistency. So I have a white bowl here with a strainer, and see if I can get a good angle for this. I am just going to pour this in there, and I'm gonna let it sit and strain out for a while. Okay, so from the color of it, you could tell that I might have overcooked it a little bit, but honestly, I did this the last time too. Like, I let it cook longer than 10 minutes, and I got like this kind of, let's see, this kind of consistency. Like, it's almost like snot-like, which is very weird to say, but y'all, this works so good. The next video that you will see of this after I finish will be me actually using this on my hair, and I'll show you guys how it looks and all that good stuff, and I'll show you how I store it too a little bit later. So I almost forgot, before it like gets a little too gummy and solidified, because that's still a bit liquidy right now, I'm going to add some of this essential oil. It's just tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps with dry scalp and all that good stuff, which is what I have, like a dry itchy scalp, especially in the middle of my head. Oh my god. But anyways, I'm going to put a couple of drops of this in there, and that'll also help with the smell too. Okay, I just wanted to show y'all again, like, this texture of this gel. Like, I just whisked that tea tree oil in, and this is the texture of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this grapeseed bottle. It's empty now, and I'm going to pour this into pour the flaxseed oil into this. It's still a little warm, so it still should be pretty runny, and I'm going to pour that into there. And it's a squeeze top bottle, and then I'm going to store it in my fridge. And that's one thing that you want to make sure that you do is store this in the fridge, and it lasts for up to 2 weeks. Alright, so this just about made enough, and this is a 4 fluid ounce bottle, and it's filled to the top, and there's still some extra. So just keep that in mind when you're recreating this recipe. I did use about a half cup of flaxseed and then a cup and a half of water, I think. So perfect. So I just want to say thank you all for watching this video and watching me create flaxseed oil, which is natural and healthy for your hair. If you like these kind of DIY hair videos and you want to see more hair videos from me, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel and let me know that you like this type of content. Thank you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.